Mabrika.
Tao apuchi, hello family, hola familia. Mabrika mundakat konúko. Welcome to my garden. Bienvenidos a mi huerto. I have spent just a couple of days not checking in on my garden. I came now to find out that it is full of weeds. I have not been a good gardener. So I started taking a look and pulling some of the weeds out. But guess what? I have lettuce and radishes growing. So let's take a look and see what else I can find. As you can see, my garden has been overtaken by mint and weeds. But I'm going to take a closer look. I think I spotted some lettuce. Yes, here we go. We have tender lettuce leaves growing. So I've cleared a little bit around this area to give her some more room. I'm gonna let her grow a little bit bigger, and then we're gonna give her a haircut. When you cut the little lettuce leaves off, it stimulates the plant growth, and then she'll give you more lettuce leaves to eat. So you can keep harvesting her over and over again for a few weeks. Now this lady here is mint. All you have to do is rub the leaves like this, and when you smell it, you're going to smell the mint right away. So all these other things here, that's just weeds. So I can pick them out. Now these are strawberries. At the beginning of June, there was one little strawberry flower, but I didn't see it turn into a seed. And it may have, but I think if it did, then the critters got to it. But I also feel like she's being choked a little bit by all of this grass and mint growing around her. So probably for next year, what I'll have to do is create more of a barrier so she gets a little bit more room, more nutrient. And look at these amazing babies. I have radishes. All you have to do is look right above the ground. Look at them. They're ready to be picked. I didn't even need to plant them in a deeply, just shallow, and that's it. I'm so happy. Look at that. Thank you, Jajóm. Thank you, gracias. Now these irises here, they've taken really well to their new environment. I took them from my old konúko, my old garden, and I planted them here. You can see this is the bulb. They've got new leaves coming in. That means that next year I'm going to have beautiful irises in the spring. Sometimes it's very good to be patient. Jajóm, thank you for visiting my garden. Gracias por visitar mi huerto. Taíno ti Atabéy guatucan. Goodbye and many blessings. Adiós y muchas bendiciones.